Hi, my name's Jack Soul. Thanks so much for stopping by the YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. So today's video is all about guitar modification, and I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited about guitar modification right now, and why I think it's actually an important part of every guitar player's journey, and why everybody should think about it every now and again. So with this Strat, and basically it had sat for a while, and I thought to myself, just wondering why it had sat. And actually the first thing that came to mind, which is also usually the thought that you need to pay attention to the most, your gut, was I never loved the humbucker. It was a zebra style humbucker, and it was actually a fairly low output humbucker. It sounded very twangy, and I think just being a Fender, that's interestingly enough what Fender decided to go for. Like I said, it's a 2013 American Professional, and for some reason they just wanted to go with a thinner sounding low output humbucker, which is actually the opposite of what I was looking for in a humbucker. Because I think HSS Strats are one of the most versatile guitars. I think you can gig most, if not all, genres with it and cover a lot of ground if you are playing covers and originals, and I think it's a really ideal guitar for that. But I think it's really ideal when the humbucker is a more Les Paul style humbucker. It's got a nice rounded sound to it with low gain. But with high gain, it's got an aggressiveness that can kind of get up and go when you need it to. A more modern sound as well. This humbucker that I'm going to talk about, that I replaced my old one with, has a more modern sound as well. Very high output, which I was looking for as well. So when I put that humbucker in this guitar, I immediately had more inspiration than I had had in a long time with this instrument, and that's why I think it's a very important thing in a guitar player's journey to start modifying your guitar. Now, that could be cosmetic, it could be utility is really important too. Replacing your output jack is something that you'll probably have to do over the years, and as well your tuners, all kinds of stuff like that. So that's why I think it's really important to have that in your bag of tricks, if you will. And it's really helped me over the years, again, whether it's cosmetic, which gravitates me towards that instrument again, or mechanical, or upgrades the tone like I just did on the Strat, which it adds an awesome new look to it as well. I really dig the H brass, which brings me more specifically to the point of this video. And I'm thrilled to announce that this video has been sponsored by Guyker. So Guyker carries a variety of different styles of parts for bass and electric guitar. There's so many to choose from big statement pieces to all the way down to utility, output jacks, pickup selectors, all that kind of stuff. And looking at that website, when we were talking about kind of an angle on what kind of video we wanted to make, I immediately thought of this Fender Strat because I just haven't been gravitating towards it. And I thought, hey, if I can bring to life more of the vision of what I thought the potential of this Strat could be, I'd love to do that. So they agreed, sent out a Les Paul style humbucker, as you can see. And I couldn't be happier. I love the way it sounds. I love how, again, like I said, I've just been getting inspired. The intro track was very inspired by this pickup and how it sounds. So I, again, couldn't be happier to say this video is sponsored by Guyker. They sent me out the pickup for free in order for me to make a video, but give my honest opinion. I'm not being paid further than that. Now, if you want to pick up some stuff from Guyker and modify your own instrument, I'd highly encourage my link. My affiliate link will be in the description, and if you shop through that link, I'll get a small kickback of commission, and I would really greatly appreciate that. And further, because I'm so excited about that, I hope you'll be excited that I can offer 15% off of your purchase if you use the code JACKSOLE, JACKSOLE, at checkout. You'll get 15% off of your next purchase. They were so easy to work with. I'm super excited. And now I'm actually just going to show you some of the tones that I'm getting with this pickup. And this exact pickup link will be in the description as well. I really do like it. It's just a really great sounding Les Paul style pickup that's not going to break the bank. All right, so as you can see, there's some pedals on the table. So I'm just going to use those and show you some tones that this humbucker can offer. Lots of sustain. So I'm starting off just using the Blues Breaker side of the Protein here. Get a little higher gain going, adding the ODR to the picture. I'm going to add some cassette saturation from the Strymon and add some reverb. Bigger reverb and some vibrato. It's just a very clean, You're able to clean it up really well, and it gets really big and aggressive. So I like when it's cleaner. It's a very round sounding pickup, but it can get way bigger and way more aggressive. What a great sounding pickup. You can grab yours from Guyker, and feel free to check out that exact pickup link in my description.